How do you balance business in your personal life?
You don't. I don't believe in work-life balance. I think that is a myth. There's not enough hours in the day. Like, it just isn't a thing. I think that there has to be true work-life integration. You have to be able to find a work, a business, a job, whatever, a work life that complements your personal life and what your goals are. And I think that is way more important than trying to balance anything. You can't balance. It's like me trying to balance my time between 5 kids. That's not a thing. I have to find creative ways to make sure everybody feels loved equally. It's not a balance. It's usually integrating them into different activities together so I don't have to share it. So, it's not a thing. Balance isn't real.
Love it. So now question number 2. If you lost everything today, how would you rebuild?
It's super easy for me because I've spent so much time investing in my network and my relationships. And it just happened to me. I don't know if everybody knows this in my world, but I was fired. I was fired from a job, which was a blessing in hindsight, right? It just wasn't a good alignment. It wasn't a great situation. It was not Fund and Grow, to be very clear. And so I found myself in that exact situation. And it was my circle. It was my relationships that showed up in a way that I have never felt more lifted up in a professional world. I'm going to cry if I think about it too much. There were so many people that reached out to say, how can I help you? Who can I connect you with? Within 2 days, I had my entire next week just filled with interviews, filled with opportunities. And it was an amazing experience. And I literally technically lost it. I lost my job. I lost the income, lost all of it. But within 2 days, because I had spent so much time building relationships, that it was super easy. It made it up. And here I am. It was fantastic.
Relationship is key.
It is.
That's so fire.
Fire, fire, fire.
That's so fire, baby. That's so fire.
Fire.
That's so fire.